Ready to go outside? Oh yeah, you are. You've been ready all morning. It's a gorgeous morning. Gonna walk this girl because she's got energy this morning. You're ready to go eat? So we slept here last night. I came a little bit, it was starting to get dark a little bit. So I had a hard time to see where all the tree, and I had to turn and all this to park the van there. So my van is like really bad angle. I slept on the opposite side that usually what I slept, but we had a good night of sleep because I just woke up. I woke up at 8:30. This is not usual. I woke up before Kenny was making noise to go outside. She was just like, meow, there's some bird. I'm like, I know. But I slept pretty good. Alright, let's go. There's some little trail here. Aww. Kenny, you ruined the shot right now. So I could tell you that I'm super deep in the wood, but it's not true. The highway is just right here somewhere, and I'm just across the river from that. I think someone slept over there. We got some neighbors. Those beautiful flowers are everywhere. This is not the one with this tree. Oh, that's so cute. Look at it. It's a little river. The water is so clear. It's gorgeous. Must be a popular spot in the summer. What you want? You done? Yeah. It's cold a little bit outside, eh? Alright. Kitty wanted to go outside, but she didn't stay that long. It's chilly outside though. It's beautiful, but chilly right now. So I think what we're gonna do, we're gonna pack things, and yeah, we're gonna explore this area. I've never been around here. There's, I think, a bunch of backcountry trail. So yeah, I'm gonna go explore today. I do hear a lot of question about if I have a little satellite device. This is the one. This is the Garmin Mini. I think it's like $10-15 per month. It's not, I mean, it's expensive for what it is, to be honest, because technically you're not supposed to really use it, but the day that I'm gonna need it, I'm gonna be grateful for it. So it's got SOS little button there, so and the GPS too, obviously. So if something happened, I push this and someone's gonna rescue me. This thing is pretty great. When I go for a walk, I bring this in case of emergency, and in the backcountry, it's always on my hood of my van. it's always right here, so if it's got emergency and I am barely able to move, at least I can push the SOS and, you know, hopefully someone's gonna rescue me. So yeah, it's got a little extra safety precaution, you know, in the backcountry. I never go like crazy place, but yeah, it's always good to have. It's a kitty on the tree. That's your spot, kitty. Oh, that's a nice little camp spot. You can go all the way to the river. I had to stop. I was like, this is so cute. I just started this road and I can tell you, I'm gonna come back here. It's got a ton of little place to camp. The road is smooth and easy, the way I like it. It's a little bumpy, but you go slow and you're fine. And this has been a long time since the last time I explored like a backcountry road that I never been on before. It's been a while. Sometimes it's just like I've been in that section and I try a tiny little trail, but like full on, this is a new area. This has been a while. The issue or the thing that the reason why I don't come to new places too often is the van's okay on the backcountry, but obviously it's not like a 4x4. It's not like a vehicle. Even if I had a 4x4, it's still, you know, a big van. It's still not the greatest to go in the backcountry. It never will, even if I put a big lift, even if I put a 4x4, you know, it's a van. And you always have to be careful, and sometimes it happened a couple times that I was in the backcountry, I think up north, in the Kootenay too as well, that I'm like, oh, I'm gonna try a new trail, and suddenly the road just go like steep up and you cannot back up, like you're already in it. You're like, go, and you just pray that the van will make it all the way to the top. And after that, you sometimes you realize that the trail is way too big and, you know, way too challenging for your van. You're like, I need to find a place to turn around, and you know, this is sometimes super narrow. This road is wide, but most of the time it's just like a narrow little trail, and you just hope to find a place to turn around. So when those type of trail happen, they are stressful, and yeah, I kind of like don't try too many. Just the one that I'm pretty confident that I can make all around. So this one, I think it's got it's got like a mini park or place to camp, like a campsite. So yeah, I'm pretty sure we can make it all the way. It's kind of a loop that we're doing, for what I know. And so far so good. It's gorgeous. Wow, we could have slept right here with this beautiful view. Wow. gorgeous. Wow. The road's getting a little bit more narrow, a little bit more rough, but it's still good. Still good. I think we have to go all along the lake there. We have another little waterfall. Every bridge that I'm crossing seems to have a waterfall. What's up? You like the bumpy road today? So we just crossed to a bigger road. I have a feeling it's got some lugging truck on this road. I think every time I go in the backcountry, this is the first thing that I look. I look at the track on the road, and if I see a double track side by side for those big truck, lugger truck, I'm like, oh, okay, we're not alone. So I think this one, and I'm trying to figure out if they are kind of freshly made or they were there because we are in the weekend, so maybe they were there just during the week, but sometimes they do work on Saturday. So hopefully we're not gonna see too much lugging truck. When they drive slow, it's fine, but sometimes they just rip beside you, and I hate it. I really, really hate it. We're pretty much at the end of the lake. I always do the same thing when I go to backcountry and new trail like this. I get so excited, and every time I see a beautiful spot, I'm like, oh, this is gorgeous, I could stop. But no, let's see what's around the corner. Must have something even more beautiful. And you end up at the end of the trail like, oh, yeah, I should have stopped an hour ago, you know? When the view was gorgeous. Yeah. Oh yeah, we are a little bit muddy. So we just stopped in Proud Lake, Provincial Park, and I think we are here. And I want to go to this place. So there you go. I think there's a fish there. I don't know. There's some in the water too. That's pretty cool. And this beautiful lake. Can't stop appreciate this beautiful day. It's been great. So we're pretty much back in town. A couple of minutes and we're back in town. I have to take a shower and things like this, and tomorrow I go meet some friends, but I'm gonna have to go back to the trail that we've been on today. So many places to camp, so many places to sleep, so other little road that I didn't explore, so definitely on the list of coming back. But it was really fun. I had a really good day. I don't know if it's a mix of the weather and see new places. That's been, like I say, a little while. Then I saw some new trail in the backcountry, so it's been great. Really enjoy the day. So I guess you guys, I'm gonna leave you with this. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And I'm gonna leave you with Miss Kitty when I go back to the van. You look so happy. Do you want to give them a kiss? Oh, big stretch. You happy? You look happy. Little kiss? Yeah. Little kiss? Aww, thank you, kitty. Oh. Peace.